Hello, my name is Colin Bennett, Market Intelligence Director at the International Copper Association. I'm very pleased to announce that this year, ICA is a silver sponsor of the CRU World Copper Conference. We invite you to join us Tuesday, the 29th of March, for ICA's panel session. The conference will be a hybrid event, accessible both in person and online. This year, we are focusing on the future energy transition. At this year's conference, we'll present new research exploring the topics emerging power cable demand, copper's advantage in vehicle systems, and the prevailing low-level impact of substitution. To do this, we have gathered an expert panel who will share their insights on copper and the future of the industry. Please watch this space for updates and details, and do join us on the 29th of March. We very much look forward to connecting with you at the conference.